Hello! Today we're going to talk about Sustainable Development Goal number 4, also known as quality education. So you may ask, why is education so important? Well, education nurtures and helps socioeconomic development, and it helps to overcome severe poverty in the world. So, over the previous decade, significant progress has been achieved in boosting access to education and school enrollment rates at all levels, particularly among females. Despite this, around 260 million children were not enrolled in school in 2018, accounting for roughly 1/5 of the worldwide population in that age range. Due to the pandemic that began in 2020, known as COVID-19, the majority of countries declared temporary school closures, affecting more than 91% of pupils globally. By April 2020, about 1.6 billion children and teens would have dropped out of school. In addition, roughly 369 million children who rely on school meals have to find alternative sources of nourishment on a regular basis.
As nations aspire for universal primary and secondary education by 2030, the UIS provides the data and analysis required to reach the children and youth who are now excluded from schools. According to their data for the 2018 school year, around 258 million children and youth are not attending school. There are 58 million elementary school people, 62 million lower secondary school children, and 138 million upper school children in total. So this statistics is about pre-COVID situation, but during the COVID era, starting from 2020 till nowadays, the situation in the world has been changed. So I would like to mention few things have such a broad and far-reaching influence on the overall quality of life of a person and a community as a lack of knowledge. Despite its status as a fundamental human right, many children throughout the world are denied an education. So, here I'd like to mention possible causes of this issue. First of all, there are not enough schools. A school is such more than a structure where students are taught. School also comprises instructors, instructional materials, and all of the other components that comprise an educational system. And also, money is an issue. Another economic issue is that many families do not have enough money even for basic requirements, forcing children in such homes to labor from a young age. According to statistics, over 300 million children between the ages of 5 and 17 work, making child labor one of the leading causes of illiteracy. Another possible reason is geographically unfavorable location. Some nations lack the necessary infrastructure or are located in harsh climatic zones, making traveling to school substantially more difficult.